Hello and welcome to our brief video that will show you how you can read the New York Times for free through the library. Starting here on our home page, I'll scroll down to our subject guide to electronic resources. Here I'll head down to the guide for newspapers and I'll click on NYTimes.com. So here, the way the contract is written between the New York Times and the Minuteman Library Network, who is sponsoring this, is that we need to come here and redeem a coupon every 72 hours. So one tip, since you'll want to come back to this page every 72 hours to keep reading for free, is to bookmark the page in your browser, and that will just make that process a little simpler. So to continue here, I'll click on Redeem, and I'll click on Redeem one more time. On this page, the first time, you'll need to create an account, so you'll enter an email address, a password, and accept the terms to do that. Once you have an account with the New York Times, then instead you'll use this login link here down at the bottom. I'm going to pause the video a moment and enter my own real credentials. So now that we're logged in, I'll just point out that the New York Times is actually available in English, Spanish, and Chinese. You're probably familiar with the site, but I'll just point out that navigation is pretty simple. You can click into any of the stories on the home page, or else use these menu items here at the top to click into different sections. Another way to navigate is here in the upper left, you have a 3 lines menu that you can click on to access the different sections as well. So as I mentioned, we have 72 hours of free unlimited access right now, and when that is up, if I'm here in the New York Times, I might be prompted to pay, but instead of doing that, I would open up a browser, go to my saved bookmark, and then redeem a new coupon and log in again, and then I would have another 72 hours of free access. So that is what we wanted to let you know about reading the New York Times through the library. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please send them to belmontpubliclibrary@gmail.com. And thanks very much for watching.